Welcome to the Project Management Institute's Spotlight series. Let's shine a spotlight on planning poker. Gathering reliable and workable estimates for agile tasks and user stories can be difficult. The more familiarity they have with the work, the easier it is for the development team to estimate. Likewise, the familiarity amongst the team members helps them to provide accurate estimates. The longer a team is together, the better they can make use of their velocity and collective strengths. Nevertheless, estimates are still guesses, and you and your team will need to make educated guesses. You can use planning poker to facilitate the estimation process and add a little fun to the event. You begin by handing everyone a set of cards made from note cards or thick cardstock. You must write numbers on the cards, or have each person create their own set of cards. Using a marker or pen, each card must get one unique number. The numbers depend on you and the size of your product backlog items. Typically, teams use the Fibonacci sequence, also known as the golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence provides a good set of numbers to work with and fits most agile project needs. Now each person on your team has cards reading 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. Each person should make two more cards, 0 and 100. You'll see why in a second. Once every person has their card set, they can place their cards in their hands, present a backlog item to the team, and have the team discuss its contents, purpose, and any relevant information to remind the team what the item is about. Next, ask everyone to think about how many story points, or hours if you prefer, the item should get. Have every person select one card from their hand to represent the number of points they think the item will take to complete and place it face down in front of them on the table. Once everyone has put down their cards, have them flip over their cards at the same time to view the results. In this example, all participants have picked either the 3 or 5 card, so there is a general consensus among the team as to how long or how much effort the item should take to complete. Since we are pretty much all in general agreement of that item, let's move on to another item and repeat the process. This time we have a variety of cards, meaning that there is not much clarity as to what this item entails. What we get next is the most important part of planning poker, the discussion. The team discusses why they each chose the card they did. You can start with the outliers, if you want, to help the discussions bring out the risks, both positive and negative, about the item and the work it requires. After sufficient discussion, you can ask everyone to play again. They can pick the same card, or based on what they have heard and considered, they can select a different card. And remember those 0 and 100 cards you made? They can be played at any time. The 0 signals the team that there is not enough information to make the decision. The 100 signals that there is a lot more work or complexity involved that is not being considered. And remember, it is the discussion that is the most important and valuable part of planning poker. And that's how to get estimates and discussion going about those estimates in a fun, eventful way. Thanks for using the PMI's Spotlight on Planning Poker. For more information about the Project Management Institute's certifications, membership, and services, visit our website at www.pmi.org.